Hello, today we're going to talk about the Bluestone Influencer Pro Studio Quality Media Kit. I'm going to be unboxing it and then putting it together so we can see how it looks like, and then also at the same time uh, talk about the uniqueness about this product along with the pricing and the feedback that I will be giving based on my uh, feelings about this product. So some of the features about this product is that it makes videos at night or take great selfies in poorly lit areas. So it's great for that. Great for creating live videos with your smartphone. Perfect for vlogging, streaming, and video chatting. Flexible phone mount arm can be bent into any position. So that's one of the uniqueness about that. Phone clamp expands up to 3.75 inches. Includes inline controls for easy leg adjustments, 10-inch ring light with 3 color modes, and 10 brightness levels. Tripod collapses and extends between 1.5 and 6 inch tall. 360-degree ball joint for setting the ideal angle, and USB powered, no batteries required. So basically what that means is that you need a adapter for your wall jack if you want to power it up as it's USB powered, or just connect it directly to your laptop or your desktop. Now, before I begin unboxing and building this, please do hit the subscribe button on your screen to subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build on my subscriber base. If I've added value to you after you view this video, please hit the like button and leave some comments. I always like reading your comments and responding to it. So let's go ahead and assemble this and unbox this. So this is the front of the box, and this is the back of the box. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, this should be quite fun. Okay, so first thing we have is the 10-inch ring light. With USB and remote control. And the remote control is the red, it's for the power. You have the minus, mode, plus. Plus and minus is for the brightness, and there's usually 10 brightness levels. The in-between mode is for the 3 light colors. Usually those are white, yellow, white, and bright white. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Here we actually have phone holder, phone holder stand, and tripod head. So what we're going to do first, let me just get everything else out of the box. So this is the extendable 6-feet tripod. I'm actually not going to take it out. I think you guess we can take it out because I just want to make sure that we're able to see when I assemble this. But so this is the tripod right now. And basically, your tripod head would actually go onto here to hold up the ring light, the 10-inch ring light. And then when your head is there, you can see your legs. When you extend your legs, you know, it kind of opens up, and then you can actually extend it too. There's a lot. So I'm not going to do that with this. I'm just going to leave it like this, as I'm trying to focus more on just getting it built. So you get a picture idea of what goes into where. But I'm going to leave the tripod on the side. Now, one of the things I'll notice about this one is that it does not have an instruction booklet. So sometimes you'll run into some of these where there's no instruction booklet. But since I've done so many of these ring lights, I'm just going to let you know how it would go. You can just follow my flow. So first you're going to take this, the tripod head, okay? Now, you have this handle right here. This is actually to loosen the head. So, you notice that it loosens right here. So I want it straight, so I'm going to keep it straight. And then I'm going to tighten it. Okay, once I do that, I'm just going to roll it up into the 10-inch ring light. The bottom is gold. Silver screw goes into gold opening. All right. Next, I'm going to use the phone holder stand, which is this right here. And I'm going to put it into the other side of the 10-inch ring light, which is gold. Black screw goes into the gold. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the phone holder, and you notice that there's this big giant circle right here. This is actually kind of like a screw holder. So I'm going to loosen that. I'm going to take it out. It's easier. I'm going to just drop it on there like that. Then I'm going to use this phone holder and I'm going to stick it into the little ball joint here with the phone holder stand. There it goes. So once it's in there, I'm going to pull this thing back up, the screw lever, twist it until it gets really tight. Okay, now that it's tight, I just want to actually make sure that it's still fully tight. Okay. Now I want to bring this down. I just want to show you with an actual phone in the socket. So we know that this is sliding. I'm going to use this old iPhone. Slide it in there. Slide it out, and boom. There you go. Your ring light and your phone. Now this is great for if you want to do cosmetics, hairstyling, products, unwrapping, opening, vlogging, streaming, live. This is very good. I'm going to remove the phone so we can still have a better view. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tripod, okay? Oh, I'm going to do the tripod then. Because like, as I said, I don't really want to use the tripod because it's going to be really long. I just want to keep everything within the screen. And I want to make sure to be able to view it. So let me just go ahead and just unlock this. Okay. USB to the wall jack adapter. Click it in there. Okay, now there's power. You notice the remote control is blue. Okay, so click the red button once. There you go. So you have your white light. Now we're just going to go up to the modes, which is in between the plus and the minus. Click that button. This is the first mode, second mode, third mode. Just the yellowish more hotter. So there's 3 modes, okay? So I'll call this white, natural, and this will probably yellow, white. And let's check the level. So while I'm on the yellow, white, let's check the level. Take the minus, should be 10 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Increase it, should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So we have 10 modes. 10 brightness levels. 3 modes. Okay, so this is what you would use. Now, we have, as I said earlier, we have the phone holder. The tripod head right here. Now on the bottom, there's an opening. It's silver. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just get the tripod. Well, that's the tripod. The tripod, I guess you can say, is a tripod. Extendable tripod. That's a better name for it because it extends. So it's just like your regular tripod. This is a cap there. Unscrew this cap. And then you're going to screw this screw, silver, into the bottom of the tripod head. Now while I'm doing this, I just want to make sure you guys, from a safety purpose, make sure when you want to stop using it, turn off using the remote and then pull the USB. Maybe safer that way. So as you can see, it's on the tripod, extendable tripod now. And the extendable tripod goes up to 6 feet. So there you have it. Everything's here. Let's check the remote again. Let's do the different modes again. 1, 2, 3. Yep. So this is pretty much it. Let me know what you think. I'm turning it off. So all switches, hit the red button again. There goes off. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have this product, what you think about it. Does it last long? What's its durability? How do you like it? Leave me some comments. And once again, if you can subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome. I'm trying to build on my subscribership. I do make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I look forward to sharing them with you. Thank you for watching.